Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Dodge Ram 2500 step by step. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and gathering needed tools like a slim gym and flashlight. Stay calm and work methodically so you avoid damaging weather seals, wiring, or paint. I will guide you through safe entry options, emergency override steps, and how to reset the central locking system after you regain access. If your key fob works, I will help you troubleshoot it step by step. First, replace the battery and test the range near the truck to rule out interference. Next, try the panic function to trigger remote unlocking in case only the unlock signal is weak. If that fails, locate the backup physical key inside the fob and use it for a traditional lock turn while I explain safe techniques to avoid damage. Quick recommendation: if you want a comfy, practical treat, consider Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, perfect for hands-on vehicle work. They stay in place, wick moisture, and are tough enough for garage days and long roadside jobs. If that sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Please subscribe and like if this video is helping you. Now let's get back to the video. Manual entry can work when electronics fail, and I will walk you through it safely. Start with a plastic wedge to create a small gap, then use a long reach tool to lift the interior lock lever or pull the door handle. Always protect paint and weather stripping with soft covers and use steady, patient pressure instead of force. If locks are frozen, warm the handle area gently with a warm cloth to avoid cracking mechanisms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.